The Ludovico technique. Where did you hear about this? Who's been talking about these things?
These things get around, Father. Two warders talk as it might be. Somebody can't help overhearing what they say. And somebody picks up a scrap of newspaper in the workshops. And the newspaper tells all about it. How about putting me in for this new treat, Father? Don't know what it's called. All I know that it gets you out quickly and makes sure you never get back in again.
That is not proven 655 to 1. In fact, it is only at the experimental stage at this moment.
It is being used, isn't it, Father?
It has not been used in this prison yet. And I have heard that there are very serious dangers involved.
I don't care about the dangers, Father. I just want to be good. Of my life to be one act of goodness.
The question is whether or not this technique really makes a man good. Goodness comes from within. Goodness is chosen. When a man cannot choose, he ceases to be a man.
Don't understand about the whys and wherefores, Father. I only know I want to be good.